Seventh question. Find the value of 10 root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2 up to 3 decimal places. Here given some values we have to use while solving this question. Root 2 value, root 5 values should be used. See how to find solution given that root over 10 minus root over 5 by 2 root 2. Now in this 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So 5 is common as square root over 5. So root 5 into root 2 can be written. Root 10 can be written as root 5 into root 2 minus root 5 can be written as root 5 into 1 by 2 root 2. Now this is root 5 is taken common from the numerator. Root 5 is taken common from the numerator. Root 5 times of root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Now like this it's easy to simplify. Now the denominator should be rationalized. To rationalize that, multiply and divide with irrational. Here root 2 is there. 2 into root 2. 2 into root 2. What is the irrational part? Root 2. Root 2 is an irrational part. With that, multiply and divide. We will get the denominator is a rational number. Now this is root 5 is out. Here root 2 is outside. So 2 terms are outside here. Multiply this with these two. Now multiply this inside of the terms. Root 5 is outside and root 2 minus 1 and root 2. Root 2 minus 1 into root 2. Root 2 is multiplying inside. Now root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2. Square root 2 into square root 2 is 2. Square root 2 into square root 2. 2 minus 1 time of root 2. Root 2 by 2 into 2. 2 is as it is. Root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2. Square root 2 into square root 2. It becomes a 2. Square root 2 into square root 2 becomes 2. Already 2 is there. Now square root 2 into square root 2, 2. Now root 5 value is replaced. 2.236 into 2 minus root 2. 2 minus root 2 value. Root 2 value is given that 1.414. Okay. By 2 into 2, 4. Okay now. Now what is the result here? 2.236 into 2 minus 1.414. 2 minus 1.414 means 2.000 1.414. Subtract it. Now check the borrow. 10 here, here 9, here 9 we will get 0. So 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 1 8, 9 minus 4 5. Point. Here we will get only 1. 1 minus 1 0. 0.586. 0.586 by 4. Now multiply 2.236 into 0.586. 2.236 into 0.586. By multiplying this we will get like this number. After the point how many decimals are there? After the point 1, 2, 3 decimals. After the point 1, 2, 3 decimals. Totally 6 decimals. Totally 6 decimals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By coming back 6 digits, put the point. Now it becomes a 6 decimals, which is after point 3 decimals. Here after the point 3 decimals. Completely after the point 6 decimals should be there. So this becomes 1.310296. Now here the result of this one is multiplying the numerators we will get 1.310296 by 4. Okay, now this simplify. By simplifying this, cut it. Cut that numbers. How to do that? 1.310296 by 4. 4 zeros are 0. Point. 4 threes are 12. 1 we will get. 1 1 11. 4 twos are 8. 3 we will get. 3 0 30. 4 sevens are 28. 2 22. 4 fives are 20. Next 2 9 29. 4 sevens are 28. 1 6. 4 fours are 16. Now the result is 0.32751774. But here it is asked up to 3 decimals only. So we can write approximately this is 0.327. Up to 327, 3 decimals. 3 to 7. After 7, 5 only. Therefore we can write either 8 or 7. 8 we have to write. Depends upon the next decimal number. We will get that. 7, 5 is there. Before the digit is increased by 1. Okay. Now this is the result. Like this we have to solve.